Hello, welcome to Junju Kitchen. Today I'm going to make kimbap. Kimbap is one of the most popular snack in Korea, so you can get kimbap anytime you want from kimbap restaurant. And there are so many kimbap recipes, so you can actually put anything you want inside kimbap when you make yourself. But today I'm going to make basic kimbap, which means I'm going to use really basic ingredients for kimbap. I hope you can make it yourself. I will tell you about ingredients we need for making kimbap. This is roasted kimbap liver. You can get easily from the supermarket. I prepared 2 packs of cooked rice. You can see the time for microwave to heat it up, and para 현미밥 means sprouted brown rice. It contains 210 grams per each, so maybe I will make 3 rolls roughly. And carrot and spinach. This yellow one is pickled radish. This one already julienned. This brown one is burdock root, braised with soy sauce. Quite optional though. And this is a processed ham, especially made for kimbap. And these eggs were kind of fried egg for kimbap. Anyway, let's start to make kimbap. First, julienne the carrot like this. Heat a little bit of oil and stir-fry the julienne carrot like this until it gets soft. Add a pinch of salt for taste. Some people put just julienne carrot without stir-frying, but I prefer this way. On the same pan, with a little bit of oil, cook the processed ham. This is the spinach. Boiled with salt slightly and squeezed. Didn't cut. Put some salt and a little bit of sesame oil, roughly a half tablespoon. You can add crushed sesame seed too. Well, it's quite optional. And mix well. We call this kind of movement 묻히다, something like that, 묻히다 in Korean. For fried egg for kimbap, just break the egg and whisk well. and add some salt, pinch of salt, and whisk. After heat the pan, pour all the whisked egg and cook like this. Fried egg. After cool down, you cut like this. You can make it thinner or thicker. It's up to you. Well, all the ingredients inside filling prepared. Burdock roots and radish, you can use them right away from the pack. For the rice, you can see red part. It tells you how long you have to heat it up with microwave. I prepared 2 packs and heat it up with microwave. Add some pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And crush the sesame seed and mix well. Now we are ready to make rolls. All the ingredients prepared. If you look close at the label, you can see the shiny part and the slightly rough part. You can see it with your eyes easily. Shiny part should be the outside. So shiny part should go down. So put it down like this on the roll maker. Put 1/3 of rice on the label and spread them evenly like this. But you have to leave the empty part to make roll properly. Then put the filling ingredients one by one like this. You can put as much as you want, but don't forget this part should roll up to the end of the other side. If you finish putting the ingredients inside, then let's roll. This part should go up and touch the other side of the rice. And when you roll, hold the inside part with other fingers. And don't forget, you shouldn't roll with the roll maker. That roll maker should come out little by little, just rolling inside the food like this. Before you take out a roll, just do this little bit to make a foam inside. I think it's well done. And when you put on the plate, you can see the edge part, the end part of the label. Put it down on the plate like that. I think making roll needs a kind of practice a bit. So I will show you the procedure again for another 2 rolls. I used sprouted brown rice, so that means less thicker than normal cooked rice. So if you're going to use normal cooked rice, it will be easier to make roll because they are more stickier. Well, finished. Then brush the sesame oil on the kimbap and sprinkled sesame seed like this. You can cut kimbap any size you want. Just make sure your knife is sharp enough to cut clean. Well, finished. I hope it wasn't that difficult for you to make. Well, it could be a little bit complicated to prepare, but nowadays you can get some ingredients from the supermarket easily. And if you have more rice, you can make another roll, or even if there's leftovers, you can use it for something else like bibimbap. Anyway, thank you for watching, and any comment will be welcome. See you next time.